Hello students, I am Arun Pandey and I am going to discuss today class 6 subject science chapter 1 science around you. And in the chapter science around you we are going to discuss today uses of science, health and longevity and transport. In the section of uses of science, health and longevity. So how science help us in the field of health and how science helped us in the field of longevity. Health means our general health and longevity means the duration of life span in which organism survive. One second, try to understand. Health and longevity. Health means general health. Just such as someone said that I am healthy, I am not healthy. So this is general meaning of health. This is health. But what is health in the field of science? Health is the well-being of humankind. Health is the well-being of the humankind. And longevity is the lifespan in which organism survives. So this is health and longevity. But how science helped in the health and longevity? Development in biological sciences have made it possible for you to live longer and healthier life. With the help of science, human beings can live longer and can live healthy life. But how health and longevity, how science helped in the field of health and longevity? I am explaining you. My first point, better method of diagnosing diseases such as blood test, urine test, X-ray and radiograph ultrasound scans are given by the science. So science helped us in the field of health and longevity by giving better method of diagnosing diseases such as X-ray, ultrasound and so on. Second point, medicines are the prevention of diseases. Science also given medicines by which we can prevent the diseases, and new methods such as use of radiation to cure cancer. Cancer is dreadful disease, very dangerous disease. So by the curing of cancer, to diagnose cancer, science gives us a method by which we can cure the cancer. The method is called radiation. And better sanitation and more hygienic conditions. Science also provides us better sanitation and hygienic condition in which we live and make our body free from diseases. And vaccines also given by science, by which vaccines we can remove the diseases from our country, from our native places and make safe to us. And abundant food supply. Science also provide abundant food supply by giving to the mankind chemical fertilizer, pesticides, insecticides and a new method by which farmers can use to grow their more and more crops. So by these things, health and longevity, science helped us. In the field of science helped us, mankind to betterment in their lifestyle, that in the field of health and longevity. Now in the field of how science helped us in the field of transport. In the field of transport, in the primitive era, human beings or mankind go by on foot by taking long time for one place to another. But when science contribute, giving aeroplanes, trains, ships, so make them their lifestyle easier and very long distances can be covered, can be traveled in a few less time. So by giving to mankind rails, transport, that means aeroplanes, ships. Science helped us entire mankind. So I think that this much enough, and all of you understood very well. So thanks.